Let's see if I have anything else interesting to say. Okay, so we see that the expected number of successes in n mutually independent Bernoulli trials is n times the probability of one success. Okay, and we use linearity of expectation to do this. Here's another एग्जाम्पल जो कि मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है. So here's the thing, you go to, for example, a theater, or let's say it's 1900s or something, and everyone is wearing a hat. Okay, at the door there's this hat check guy, and while you enter you give the hat to the hat check guy. Okay, so he keeps all the hats, but the poor guy is sort of lost his mind or something. He sort of forgets whose hat is kept where. Okay, so at the end of the play you come back and he just randomly picks a hat and gives it to you. Okay, now the question is, how many people would you expect to actually get their own hats in this experiment? Okay, he has absolutely no idea कि वो आपको कौन सी hat दे रहा है, और assume करेंगे light चलेगी, या he just randomly grabs a hat and gives it to you, and he does this for every person that comes out of the play. Now the question is, how many people do you expect would get their own hats? What do you guys think? Let's say कि आपके पास जो number of people है वो 100 है. पहले तो मुझे बताएं, what do you expect? What do you sort of intuitively expect would happen?
The intuitive expectation would be that
किसी
50
को
of
भी
them
अपना
would
हैश
get.
शायद ना मिल पाए, ये भी को
Okay, can you repeat?
सर हो सकता है किसी को भी हैट ना मिल पाए अपना जो था उसका.
Yeah, but what do you expect? Do you expect that no one will get their own hat?
There is just a possibility. Expectation could be like um,
There will be at least like one person who will get his own hat.
Okay, okay.
Maybe
We'll see.
4.
Okay, that's a really interesting answer. Okay, hold on to it. Okay, who is it? Who is it
Mubashir.
with Mubashir with 4? Okay, how did you come up with 4?
सर इंसान की अपनी मेमोरी भी होती है, 4 तो बंदे याद रह ही जाएंगे उसे.
No. So that's what we are assuming. We are assuming he's totally lost it. Okay, he's absolutely no idea कि लाइन चली गई है ना यार, उसको बिल्कुल नहीं पता चल रहा. Okay, randomly दे रहा है. All right. So here's the thing. Let's define X to be the number of people who get their own hat. Okay. So see, if you look at this problem, तो मेरे ख्याल में it looks really hard to find expectation of this thing. But if you just recall कि linearity क्या नाम की चीज थी, you'll see कि everything just comes naturally to you. So let X be the number of people who get their own hat. Okay, and let's say कि now मैं people के लिए index कर देता हूँ. The first guy, the second guy, the third guy, the fourth guy, and so on. Okay. Let's say 100 guys or n guys. Okay, or let me define x1 to be equal to 1 if the guy 1 gets his own hat.
So like we take the probability of one person getting their hat correctly 1 by n and then multiply it with n.
Yep,
For linearity.
that's it. That's the plan. That's the plan. Exactly. Yes. So it's 0 otherwise. Okay, 0 if he does not get his own hat. All right. Now I can call it xi by saying that it's the if the ith guy gets his own hat, then xi is equal to be 1. Otherwise, it's going to be 0. And then I say that x is just x1 plus x2 plus x3 up till xn. Okay. So, acha, but before I just give you the answer, let me ask you this question. So let's say instead of 100, there are 1,000,000 people. Okay, it's a big hole. Okay, we're talking about galactic hole or something. How many people do you expect would get their own net now? Would you think the number will increase now or decrease?
No, it will not decrease. It will stay the same.
Okay, okay. Does anyone else have a guess?
नहीं sir, I think it will increase. Secondly, I have this problem in this कि यहाँ पे जब आप एक hat किसी को दे दोगे उसके बाद your the number of hats who are left decrease. So this is kind of dependent
Oh,
experiment.
okay. Good question. Good question. Okay,
But like
we'll see.
if we're considering linearity, even if uh, the variables are dependent, we still don't care about it, right?
We still don't care about it. Okay, awesome. Really interesting things being said here. Let me complete the question और फिर I'll come back to it. Okay. Alright, so यहाँ तक तो मेरे ख्याल में किसी को कोई इतराज नहीं आना चाहिए कि x is just x1 plus x2 plus x3 जिन लोगों को hat मिली है, if I count all of them, तो I would just get what I'm counting, which is the number of people who get their own hat, right? So if I want to compute expectation of x, all I need is I want expectation of this sum, which due to linearity is just the sum of expectation of each one of them. Okay, so it's expectation of x2 and so on. It's expectation of xn. Okay, now here is the thing. What expectation of xi kya cheez hai? Okay, it's 1 times the probability that ith person get their own hat. Okay, plus 0 times 1 minus this thing, right? Whatever this thing is. Okay, interesting thing is this thing is being multiplied with 0, so I don't need to care about this. All I care is that expectation of xi is just equal to the probability that ith person get their own hat. Okay, so far so good.
Yes,
Alright,
sir.
अब हमारे पास ये है कि जो let's make a small case. Let's say मेरे पास 5 लोग हैं और मेरे पास यहाँ पे 5 heads पड़ी हुई हैं. Okay, so you can think of this thing as कि मैं so first person के लिए I pick a head. Okay, and so since I'm picking a head at random, the probability that I pick any one of them is 1 over n, all right, or 1 over 5 in this case. Okay, so the first guy, the probability is 1 over 5. Okay, अब let's say कि एक head चली गई है. अब मैंने इसमें से 5 में से किसी एक को पिक करना है, तो 2 के लिए जो मेरे पास probability होगी वो क्या होगी? It looks like अब now it's 1 over 4, but it's not. The thing is you also need to consider the probability that the guy 2 did not pick this, right? ये जो इसके ये होना जरूरी है कि the first guy must not have picked any of these heads. Okay, so let me call this h1, let me call this h2, let me call h3 and h4 and h5. So the probability that second guy picks his own head requires two things. एक तो it depends on two events. First guy does not pick his head, right? अगर first guy ने pick कर लिए तो फिर I'm already fail, right? So फर्स्ट गाय शुड नॉट हैव पिक द सेकंड गाय, उसके बाद दूसरा ये होना चाहिए इसके अलावा कि द सेकंड गाय पिक्स his own hat. Okay. I'm not I'm gonna skip this, but the thing is you'll see that this is just going to be equal to 1 over n. Okay. So जो आप ये चीज देख रहे थे ना कि अब जो सेकंड पर्सन है उसने सिर्फ 4 में से अपनी हेड सेलेक्ट करनी है, that's not true. उससे पहले ये भी होना चाहिए कि उस 4 में से जो उसकी हेड है H2 फॉर एग्जांपल वो 1 ने ना पिक किया. ओके. इन दोनों की प्रोबेबिलिटीज को जब आप ऐड अप करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 1 over n. ओके. सो नॉट ऐड अप बट मल्टीप्लाई करना है आपने इसको. ओके. लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन क्विकली से समथिंग दैट माइट सो बेसिकली आपके पास दो इवेंट होने हैं, ए और बी. ओके. ए का मतलब ये है कि ए ये वाला इवेंट है जिसके अंदर फर्स्ट गाय शुड नॉट पिक द सेकंड्स हैट एंड द सेकंड इवेंट इज कि सेकंड गाय मस्ट पिक हिज ओन हैट. ओके. जो बी है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी तो हमें पता है, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी इज जस्ट 1 over n minus 1. ओके. 4 हैट्स बच गए हैं यहाँ पे. ओके. उसमें से एक हैट उसने पिक करनी है. द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ए शुड नॉट पिक दिस हैट, जो इसकी हैट है वो क्या है? वो ये है कि he is allowed to pick any other hat except for this hat. Okay, which is what? Which is
4
n
over
minus
5.
1. 4 over 5. Which is n minus 1 over n. Okay, so this cancels, then you're left with what you are looking for. Okay, so it turns out fine.
So, but
You
again,
will
we are
always
just
have this.
looking at. aren't we just looking at A and B? उसके बाद जब A and B दोनों पिक कर लेंगे फिर C का उन दोनों के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा, तो उसका भी
बिल्कुल
one over
बिल्कुल
n
डेफिनेटली होगा. ओके. सो सेकंड केस में व्हाट यू वांट इज के ए मस्ट हैपन. ओके. which has probability n minus 1, and second you would have b must not happen. okay, sorry, b must not नहीं कह रहा मैं, यहाँ पे ये होना चाहिए कि the second guy must not pick third guy's hat. okay, और उसकी probability आपके पास क्या होगी? n minus 2
and the
over
first
n
guy
minus
must also
1.
not pick his hat.
okay, और the third guy must pick his own hat, और उसकी probability आपके पास n minus 2 हो जाएगी. okay, so all of this will cancel and you would be left with 1 over n for each of these guys. All right.
Yes.
Are you fine? Okay, so for each of these cases this expectation of xi turns out to be 1 over n, and the expectation of x turns out to be n times 1 over n, which is equal to 1. Wow. So it does not depend on the number of people in the case. You expect only and exactly one person to get their own hat. Okay, so you do expect that someone would get, but that's gonna be only one person who will get their own hat. Okay, in the long run. Yeah. Okay.
सर तो जो मिलियन के लिए वो भी 1.
वो भी 1 है. Okay, you can have as many people as you want, you can have only one person. Okay, उस केस में you are sure कि one person will get their own hat. Okay, if you have 2 people you still expect one person would get their own hat. but अब देखो जब आपके पास n2 है, the probability that one person gets their own hat is not possible. Okay, ये तो नहीं हो सकता कि दोनों में से एक को अपनी hat मिले और दूसरे को ना मिले, right? या तो दोनों की स्वैप होगी या नहीं होगी. सो उस केस में ये होना इम्पॉसिबल है. ओके, बट ऑन एक्सपेक्टेशन यू विल गेट वन इन द सेंस कि कुछ केसेस में दोनों को नहीं मिलेगी और कुछ केसेस में दोनों को मिलेगी. द एवरेज विल कम आउट टू बी 1. ओके, एंड सो जब आपका नंबर इंक्रीज होगा तो यू सी इट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन द हॉल. Okay, the expectation of the people who get their own hat is going to stay the same.
Sir, but this is very ये सिर्फ इस एक प्रॉब्लम के लिए ट्रू है ना, बिकॉज इट जस्ट हैपेंस कि इसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन 1 by n आ रही है, बट फॉर एनी अदर जिसकी 1 by n नहीं आएगी
Absolutely. क्या?
तो उसके लिए it will be multiplied I think by the number of, yeah, it will be different.
It will be different. Yeah, it will be different. Depends on the experiment. Okay. I'm gonna leave you with one sort of puzzle for the same experiment. It's a hat check experiment. And here's the problem. The problem is I want you guys to compute the probability of the event that none of them get their own hat. Okay, so this is the experiment. I want you to compute the probability of E. All right, I'm gonna stop here. Questions, comments, anything, guys?
Sir, we had a little something to show you.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
Should I stop the presentation? I can't see anything.
Yes, sir. They have their cameras open.
Oh. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. It was really fun. I really enjoyed this class. और मुझे बहुत मजा आया. It was. Thanks, guys. I really wanted all of you guys to come to my office one by one. वो हम कर भी रहे थे, तो we could not. But I still really enjoyed it. और काफी उस क्लास से इंटरैक्टिव रहा ये वाला मेरी क्लास. Last time ऐसे नहीं था, so I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, guys, for all the fun. And good luck
Thank you
with
so
your
much.
exam.
We also had a lot of fun.
Yes.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Ali. Thank you, Usman.